Good morning, fourth graders. We are back to some grammar today, and we are going to take a look at complete sentences. So, all of the rules that we learned so far will help you to make a complete sentence. And there are 4 types of sentences. Before we get to them, please take out your grammar handbook, and I'll show you what page to turn to. All right, go ahead and open up to the 4 types of sentences page that looks just like this in your grammar handbook. And you are going to be taking some notes about the different kinds of sentences today. So as you listen to Mrs. Bauer, you can add notes right in to tell me what are the differences between these 4 types of sentences. All right. As we know, there are 4 types of sentences, and here are some real grammar heroes to tell you more. So let's meet our punctuation pals. We have Sally's statement. A statement only speaks using declarative sentences, calm, cool, and collected, and very sensible. Oh, here's Quentin question. Only speaks using interrogative sentences. Very curious and inquisitive. And next comes Ernie exclamation. Ernie only speaks using exclamatory sentences. He is excitable and can be dramatic, and an excellent cheerleader. And finally, we have Carly command. Only speaks using imperative sentences, self-assured and a bit bossy, knows what to do and not afraid to tell you. Let's check out this great video to help us understand a little bit more about our 4 types of sentences.
Declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences. Declarative. Statement. Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Question. Exclamatory. Shout. Declarative. Statement. Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Question. Exclamatory. Shout. Declarative. It's when you're making a statement. Usually it ends in a period. You're just trying to make it known. For example, my brother plays trombone. Imperative is a command or request like, please finish this test. And it's easy to remember too, because imperative sentences tell you what to do. Declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences. Declarative. Statement. Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Question. Exclamatory. Shout. Declarative. Statement. Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Question. Exclamatory. Shout. Interrogative. Is in the form of a question like, are you suffering from indigestion? This type of sentence is easy to spot because it always ends in a question mark. Exclamatory always shows strong feeling like, there's a big hairy spider on the ceiling. The thing that sets this sentence apart is that it always ends in an exclamation mark. Okay, kids, let's do some examples of each type of sentence. Declarative. The sky is blue. Imperative. Pick up the shoe. Interrogative. Do you want fries with that? Exclamatory. I love my hat. Declarative. I like ice cream. Imperative. Don't be mean. Interrogative. What's your name? Exclamatory. We won the game. Declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences. Declarative. Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Question. Exclamatory. Shout. Declarative. Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Question. Exclamatory. Shout.
All right, let's open up our sentences handbook again to the 4 types of sentences quick check. We'll do a couple together and then I'll let you do the rest on your own. In your grammar handbook, you are going to write the type of sentence and what punctuation it should have. Number 1 says, please put the book on the second shelf. I'm thinking of Mrs. Threadgill in the library. This would be considered a command. She's telling you exactly what to do. So I'm going to write command, and this sentence should then end with a period. So let me throw in a period here at the end. Oh, and then I'll say this is a command. All right. Number 2 says, I didn't water the plant yesterday. Okay, so the person is just giving you that statement, right? I didn't water the plant yesterday. Therefore, this sentence is going to end with a period. And this would be considered a statement. I added here next to statement that, again, we can call that a declarative sentence, and a command is imperative. All right, go ahead and try number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Remember, you're going to write and tell me what kind of sentence and what punctuation should go along with it. Pause here and then come back and check your answers. Okay, let's see how you did. Number 3 says, do you think I should water it today? Well, that's a question, so it should end in a question mark, and we can also call that an interrogative sentence. Number 4 says, I can't believe that you saw that movie 12 times. Can you imagine someone saying that to you? That's definitely an exclamation or an exclamatory sentence. And number 5 says, do not splash me. Well, I ended this one with an exclamation point. It could also end with a period, but I was imagining somebody kind of yelling that command. For example, I think I've said that 100 times to my kids over this summer, and I was probably yelling it. So I would add an exclamation point there, but it could also be a period. But that is a command, so an imperative type of sentence. All right, go ahead and try your grammar challenge and see how you do with that.